Hi everyone, Lisa here, and Jonathan is my grandson from Down to Earth Gardening. Today we are transforming the fall garden into a winter garden. So we're gonna have fun with this today. I'm out here in Hannah and Jonathan and Gracie's garden. You've probably seen some other videos out here. It's a beautiful place for us to all play and spend time. And often you hear a lot of people talk about staging their homes. We all love to decorate for the holidays. Why not stage your garden and decorate your garden to enjoy for winter or the winter holidays? So for this garden here, Jonathan's already decorating. For this garden here, Hannah also uses it as her studio, her photography studio. She does a lot of portrait photography out here, so we really like to switch it up. And I'm sure every year we're going to be changing it a little bit, but we're kind of doing this on a budget this year. So I thought it would be fun for you to join us and see what we're up to. So the first item that we found, and we probably spent a little more on these, are these 3 green emerald arborvitaes, and they already come in the red container. So of course we're not going to leave these in the containers for the whole winter. We're going to have to transplant them, and more on that to come. But at least for a little while, we're going to leave them out here to stage this garden. We're going to decorate them and hopefully light them up. I love odd numbers as a designer, so we have 3. And just a little bit about the green emerald arborvitae. So they do make a great screening tree or shrub. They get to about 15 feet tall when mature and about 4 feet wide. And of course, right now we're not using them for screening. We're using them more as specimen trees in this bed. But that's another great option for these. They are suitable for zones 3 through 8, and they are full sun lovers. So those are going to be a lot of fun. Jonathan has already showed you these pine cones that we're going to be using. So these pine cones here, I actually found in Georgia in Tybee Island. We were out there a couple years ago, and I think these are such fabulous treasures. So we're going to be using these, or Jonathan's going to be using those. And then I pulled a couple of things out of storage. So we're going to repurpose this basket here. And I have an old twig wreath that sometimes I will just decorate and embellish seasonally. So we're going to do something with this. We are putting pumpkins away. And then also I found in storage this old crate, which will be fun. And some berries, artificial greens that I had. And then I just picked up some fake snow, which is going to be fun. And then for what we purchased, really inexpensive artificial flowers, twigs, and berries. So some poinsettias, some twigs with snow. And then we also have some little ornaments, these little bows to clip on the trees. So just remember, for your ornaments, they are going to be outside, so don't spend a lot of money. Dollar store, Dollar Tree is wonderful. If you can check that out, you might find some good stuff there. But make sure it's weatherproof. Or another option is you can decorate these trees for the birds. So there's a lot of bird seed ornaments, pine cones, whatnot. Just go all natural. So that's another option for outside. So we're going to get to it, and we do have some helpers, but we're probably going to be doing this over the next couple of days. So come on and join us and see what we come up with.